In our last video, we explored nouns, the building blocks of language. Today, we'll continue by looking at pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Examples: Sarah is a doctor. She works at a hospital. The book is on the table. It is new. John and I are friends. We study together. Did you know there are 7 main types of pronouns in English? 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace the name of a person or thing. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. 3. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves. 4. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific people or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. 5. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. 6. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect a clause to a noun. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. 7. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Examples: someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, each, many.